Hi and welcome back to the course. In this video we're just going to improve the code slightly by making use of our user class. The changes are only going to be in the user.py file. Okay, remember how we've got a user class up here that gives us the ability to find by username. Okay, so what we're going to do in the post request of the user register is make sure that we're not registering a user with the same username twice. Now, knowing that the user.findByUsername method gives you a user object, or it gives you none if that didn't exist, how would you check that a user exists in this post method here? Give yourself a wee minute to think about it. How might you check that a user exists already or not? Think about it, try to implement a solution, and then come back and we will solve it here as well. Okay, hopefully you got that. What I'd recommend is to do if user.findByUsername for data username. Remember, if something means if that is not none. Okay, so if this is not none, we're going to do return message a user with that username already exists. 400. Okay, remember if we return, we do not run any of this stuff here. Make sure to have this in front of the connection creation line. If we put this outside creating a connection, that connection will never close because we will never run this. So make sure to put this at the very start after parsing the data through. Okay. So now we have our main user class with its findByUsername and findById methods, and we are using the findByUsername to find a user or give us none. So down here, if user.findByUsername with the data that is being passed in through the JSON request is not none, then that means a user with that username is already in the database because we found one, so we can return this message. You can go ahead and try this in Postman, but believe me, it works. This is exactly what you would expect it to do. This does exactly what you expect it to do, so we're not going to go into trying it in Postman as well, just to save you some time. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.